Hello student, I am Dr. Deepali P. Jasutkar from the Department of Chemistry, KDK College of Engineering, Nagpur. Today I am going to elaborate a topic that is liquid crystal polymers from semester 2nd unit number 4 advanced materials. Liquid crystal polymers, that is LCPs. The best example of LCP is LCD, liquid crystal display. LCD is a flat panel display technology commonly used in TV computer monitors. LCP, that is liquid crystal polymers, that can flow like ordinary fluid and also behaves like a crystalline solid, that is showing the properties of both solid and liquid and the phase in between the solid and liquid. They are the class of aromatic polymers and are extremely unreactive, inert and highly resistant to fire. They are called as a mesophases because they arise under the condition between the simple liquid and crystalline solid. Mesophases means intermediate phase, that is between solid and liquid. The average arrangement of the molecule in solid, liquid and liquid crystals is given below. In solid, they are tightly packed and usually in a regular pattern. In liquid, they are close together but with no regular arrangement. And in liquid crystal, the arrangement of the molecules is in between solid and liquid. You can see in diagram. The basic structure of LCP is a rigid element incorporated into the backbone of flexible polymer. The rigid portion is called as a mesogenes and the various phases in which they exit are termed as mesophases. Mesogene, that is a rigid portion, can be rod-like or disc-like. Rod-shaped mesogene consists of two or more aromatic groups oriented along the same axis. Disc-shaped mesogenes are made up of one type of aromatic group stacked on the top of another along the same axis. Phases of LCPs, depending upon the amount of order in the material, there are nematic phase, smectic phase, cholesteric phase and columnar phase. The first phase is the nematic phase. These have thread-like structure, that is in Greek nematic means thread. Hence the name is given nematic phase. It is one of the dominant phase in LCPs. They are formed by optically inactive compound. In nematic phase, molecules have no positional order but tend to point in the same direction. In the diagram, molecules point vertically but are arranged with no particular order, means no fixed position but direction is same. In smectic phase, that is second phase, the smectic is derived from the Greek word that is soap. The thick slippery substance found at the bottom of soap dish is actually a type of smectic phase. Molecules maintain general orientation order of nematic but tend to align themselves in the layers of planes, means they form layers but no positional order. Many compounds are observed to form more than one smectic phase. For example, smectic A, smectic C, smectic G, etc. In a smectic A phase, the director is perpendicular to the plane and there is no particular position order of the molecule in the layer. In smectic C phase, the molecules are arranged as that of smectic A phase, but the director is tilt angle to plane. You can see in the diagram smectic A phase and smectic C phase. Cholesteric phase, that is third phase, that is also called as chiral nematic. This phase consists of nematic mesogenic molecule containing chiral center. This chiral center produces intermolecular forces that result in a slight angle to one another. This can be visualized as stack of very thin 2D nematic-like layers with the director in each layer twisted with respect to those above and below. In this structure, the director of each layer actually forms a continuous helical pattern above the layer normal. The fourth phase is columnar phase. They have dish-shaped mesogenes. Mesogenes are stacked on each other like coins. These columns are packed together to form two-dimensional array. The different arrangement of the molecules within the column and the different arrangement of the column leads to new mesophase. Now we'll see the properties of LCPs. LCPs have a good mechanical, electrical, thermal and chemical properties. They possess hydrolytic stability in boiling water, that is good thermal property. LCPs are chemically resistant to most acid, alkalis or solvents even at high temperature, that is good thermal property. LCPs have very low moisture absorption, that is 0.02%. It is highly resistant to heat, burning, weather and UV rays. They have very good insulating property, means electrical property. It has low thermal expansion coefficient, result in high stability of shape of product, that is having good mechanical property. So the applications of LCP. Kevlar is a LCP used to make helmets, bulletproof jacket, military appliances, etc. They are used in display industry. Because of their high operating temperature, they are used for oven handles, engine shield, etc. Used for aircraft interior that requires lightweight and high resistance material. Improved techniques are used in displaying laptops, computer, tablets, etc. Used in watches and pocket calculators. It makes excellent electrical insulating devices for housing and semiconductor materials. Used in display system of automobiles, dashboard, indicators, traffic signal, advertisement board and petrol pump indicator, etc. The question on LCP can be asked like, what are LCP? Give different phases of LCP. It is for 3 mark. Write note on LCP, 3 mark. What are the properties and applications of LCP and discuss different phases of LCP. 4 marks. Give the application of LCPs. 2 marks. Thank you student for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Meet you in next video.